Now electric motor. So construction of electric motor, we have to take two strong magnets, north and south. So north and south pole. In between these two strong magnets, we have to place one rectangular metallic coil, which is called also armature, right? So this is rectangular. This is made up of metallic wire. It is called rectangular coil. Now we have to place here one axle, one battery should be connected, and a key is joined with that battery. So see here, this is axle, this is brushes, two brushes are there, and here we have connected two split rings, and this is armature that we know positive to negative, so current is passing from here in this direction and completed its whole circuit. So first of all, this is made up of metallic wire. This is axle. Why we have to use axle? Because this armature should rotate to gain some energy. Now brushes we are using to provide current through this particular coil, and two split ring just joins with the axle so that can rotate, right? So positive to negative current is flowing. We are having also this north and south. So this here, because of interaction of two magnetic field, force will be produced. Which two magnetic field? First, because of this magnet, and second, because of current carrying wire. So we are having two magnetic fields, so that's why we are getting force according to that. Now what is the principle, what is the aim behind this electric motor? The aim is to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, so this armature should rotate according to that. Now current is passing through. Now we know that Flamingo's left hand rule, right? So Flamingo's left hand rule, current direction, first this finger which is of field direction, right? Current direction in this direction. So thumb is in motion direction, so this side will be forcing on the upward direction, means towards us, and this current is exactly opposite to that, so it is inside. So this coil is rotating like this, so here it will be rotating in this direction, and omega is the angular frequency of that rotation. So because of this opposite current, we are having two opposite forces, means couple, and because of that couple, this whole structure, this whole rectangular coil will be rotating. Because of rotation, we are getting mechanical energy. So here, with the use of electrical energy, we are getting mechanical energy. So what is the use of that? Electric motor we are using in many toys. This motor we are using for the purpose uh, to bring the water on the buildings, in the buildings, right? So that is the main basic principle of electric motor. Now how can we rotate fast this rectangular coil? If we just increase this number of rectangular coil, then rotation will be also increases because of that magnetic field. Because of that magnetic field, we are getting more and more force. And another way to increase the rotation, that just increase this battery EMF. If we increase this battery EMF, current will be more, and if current will be more, force will be more, and because of that force we can rotate this rectangular coil more fast. So that is our topic, electric motor.